Hi, my name is Elliot Anderson, also called Mr. Robot, and I'm here to attack your system in 5 minutes if you do not do anything about it. Hi, my name is Brandon Billimit, and I'm here to discuss within 5 minutes about internet security to protect yourselves from internet hackers. First, true story. RSA was hacked by crackers way back in year 2000 by attacking and spoofing their DNS server upstream of RSA domain. Dependency and security. Security can be attacked indirectly. There are multiple ways to crack a security. Another true story. Hackers use JavaScript code by injecting it into some post in the Nonprofit Epilepsy Foundation. They injected JavaScript in that website. Security can be attacked through the programming language used. Security can be attacked indirectly. Crack security can do physical harm, and crack security can be fatal. Anyone can be attacked. Another true story. Two gamblers took advantage of a software and firmware bug to win $500,000 in casino video poker machines. In order to defeat the hacker, we need more help. Let's call on my friends.
Good morning, I'm Alex Bendo. I'm going to discuss threats. The following are used in attacking internet security. First is malicious software. An internet user can be tricked or forced into downloading a software that is of malicious intent onto their machine. So, malicious software intentionally designed to cause damage to a computer, server, client, or computer network. Example of malicious software: botnet, malware, rootkits, spyware, Trojan horse virus, and more. Second is denial of service attack, DOS attack, or distributed denial of service attack, DDoS attack. Is an attempt to make a computer resource unavailable to its intent users. So DOS attack is an attack meant to shut down a machine or network, making it inaccessible to its intent users. DOS attacks accomplish this by holding the target with traffic or sending information that trigger a crash. And DOS attacks in a malicious attempt to disrupt the normal traffic or targeted server, service, or network by overwhelming the targets. Third is phishing, an attack that targets online users to get sensitive information about them, such as name, birthday, spouse name, favorite things, etc., that can be used to gain access to their accounts, such as username, password, and credit card information. Phishing is a method of trying to gather personal information using deceptive emails and websites. Also, phishing is a cyber attack that uses disguised emails as a weapon. For the last is application vulnerabilities. Applications that are used to access or use the internet may contain security vulnerabilities. Application vulnerabilities are flaws or weaknesses in an application that can lead exploitation or a security breach. Example of application vulnerabilities is software with memory safety bugs, memory with outdated security, software with flow authentication checks, cross-origin resource sharing, vulnerabilities, SQL injections.
So here are the countermeasures or defense you can use for your internet security, also called tactics. First is the Diffie-Hellman key exchange. Next we have secure mail, secured socket layer or SSL, transport layer security or TLS, virtual private network VPN, internet protocol security or IPsec, domain name system secure extension or DNSSEC, network layer security, multi-factor authentication, security token, and firewalls.
My name is Marvin Recto and I'm going to discuss about the tools and the tips for internet security. Number one is antivirus. It helps you protect your computer against malware and cyber criminals. For example, it's Avira. Number two, VPN or Virtual Private Network. It allows you to create a secure connection to another network over the internet. Example is NordVPN. Number three, privacy-oriented internet browsers or private browsers. It allows you to browse privately. The example is Brave. It shields or blocks third-party trackers and unwanted ads. Number four is multi-factor authenticator, used to ensure that digital users are who they are. The example is Auto. It's a third-party tool providing authentication and authorization as a service. Number five is password managers, the safest ways to keep track of your password. Example is LastPass, capable of free version also. Number six is encrypted email or email encryption. It involves disguising the content of the email. Proton Mail is an example, which is based on the Switzerland. Okay, so let's now proceed to the tip so that we can be more secure whenever we use or access the internet. Number one is always check the URL or sites asking information. For example, when you are accessing Facebook and when you want to log into Facebook, be sure that it's Facebook site that you are logging in. Number two, do not entertain unknown chats or emails. When you see unfamiliar chats or emails, as much as possible, do not open. Number three, do not download or install suspicious files because it might be carrying harmful files or viruses that might infect your computer. Number four, do not give any personal information. As much as possible, do keep your personal information private. Give them only to authorized person. Number five, do not store password and sensitive data in plain text. Number six, use strong passwords. You should try creating passwords with a combination of characters, symbols, and numbers so that your password will be stronger. Number seven, use different passwords for each account or website. You should have different passwords. For example, you have different passwords in Facebook, different in Twitter, or in Instagram, or in Gmail, or other applications that you are logging. In that way, you can be more secure.
Oh no, you have defended your system. I cannot hack it. Well done.